Chicken Tikka Masala. 300 grams boneless chicken. Curd to TSP. Curry powder 3 TSP. Garam masala 1/2 TSP. Pepper powder 1/2 TSP. Ginger garlic paste 1 TSP. Turmeric powder. Salt. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Blend tomatoes. Add butter. Cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Cooked well. Oil to TSP. Add cumin seeds 1 TSP. Finely chopped onions 2. Sauté well. Add ginger garlic paste. Paste of tomatoes. Add turmeric powder. Add curry to TSP. Garam masala 1/2 TSP. Mix well. Add salt. Add water. Allow to boil. Add chicken pieces. Add fresh cream or thick coconut milk. Cook for 5 minutes, low flame.